Hey guys, Jim Smith here. This week on Smart Tips and Tricks, we're talking about calling coyotes. So the three main things that I'm going to use on a coyote stand. You're trying to trigger a response from a coyote. Some sort of a food, rabbit, bird, some sort, a pup distress, and a coyote fight. So number one is going to be some sort of a food distress. You're going to have rabbit distress, deer distress, mouse distress, bird distress, any type of a distress, food, prey type sound. And the thing of that is you can use that throughout any time of the year. I mean, they're always hungry, right? My probably most commonly go-to sound of prey distress is going to probably be a cottontail. The reason why is because it's great for stand opening, a stand opener sound. It's soft, it's subtle. You never want to, start your stands crazy loud, just blaring, because you just don't know if there's a coyote laying up at 200 yards away. It'd be like somebody walking in the front door of your house and screaming at you, so soft is always better. So call of my choice is the Lucky Duck. And the reason why is because this brand of call offers so much. It covers a very wide variety of your prey distress and another great variety of your pup distress. And then, man, it has some of the most amazing breeding and coyote fight sounds you will ever find on any e-collar. I can't stress enough to you to how amazing Rick Paulette's sounds are on this call. They really, truly are great calls. Here's a cottontail that I really like, works really good, and I've had a lot of good success on. So if the cottontail is stressed, I don't see a coyote on his way. And it just didn't, get to trigger that response that I'm looking for, I'm going to roll into a pup distress. I'm going to roll into a pup distress, something with, a lot of little high-pitched tones in it, maybe a little bit of growling, and high-pitched tones, and make that scenario. I'm trying to paint a picture out here that coyote caught a rabbit, and maybe he didn't get it quite killed. Maybe the rabbit thumped him with a couple good times and kind of whimpers and shies off a little bit, or maybe the rabbit bit him. You know what I mean? He's trying to fight for his life and stuff. So, I'm trying to paint a picture of that. So I'm going to go into pup distress, or maybe another coyote came in and started whooping on this coyote. Hey, you're in my territory, or I'm just going to take your meal away from you. I mean, it's feast or famine, So I'm just trying to paint a picture while I'm on stand. Pup fights, this is one of my favorites. Man, I've killed a lot of coyotes to this sound. It's deadly. Got them growls in there. It's really good. So once I run the pup distress, I'm going to give it a couple minutes, and then I'm going to roll right into a coyote fight. A coyote fight's going to finish the scenario of basically another coyote did come into the area, and now they're fighting over some food, or they're tangling over turf or territory. It's more of an aggressive, territorial type finisher of the stand, and that you'll find I should say, that you will kill your more mature coyotes to that sound. But it's going to finish out triggering the response of the food, the pup distress, focus on maternal instincts, to the more aggressive coyote fight. You're finishing your stand, start to finish, and that's the way I like to run my stands. I mean, this one's absolutely dynamite. Guys, I hope that one of those three tips helps put more coyotes in the back of your truck this fall. Good luck to everyone, and shoot straight, man.